Olivia. Yes, man.
What it do? Clark shoes has been a part of Jamaican culture since like Jerry Curl here days. Wherever there's a Clark shoe store, you will find Jamaica. And from when they latch on to the Clarks, we just never left. When we used to go high school, Clarks was the shit. Clarks probably still is the shit. Everybody do want Clarks. You never used to get the Clarks though, you know. The Vikings used to wear. Old Vikings. And everybody can get the real Clarks. So I tell you how to know your Clark shoes fit. You see if the crepe sole, aka the cheese as we call it in Jamaica, you see if that make out a real cheese, then the Clarks fake. If me can scrape off the cheese off of your Clarks and make a nice butter and cheese sandwich, you know butter and cheese sandwich we used to go to liquor school, basic school. Yeah, if me can do that to the cheese for your Clarks fake. If you buy your Clarks, go on with it, wake up in the morning and rat them off all that cheese off of your Clarks, that Clarks in a real. And a real cheese then used on the bottom of your shoes basket. If when you're looking at shoes and it's made from genuine goat leather, that Clarks they're fake. If the man for a desert trek, aka bankruptcy as we call it in Jamaica, instead of look like this, him look like this. Clarks not real. I don't know why we call it banker by in Jamaica. Maybe the feel said the man on the back of the shoe was robber going away with money. If you look inside your Clarks and they say Clarks Lane, Clarks Avenue, Clarks Parish, Clarks County, Clarks City, instead of Clarks Street, Clarks say fear. If your Clarks wallabies say wannabes, you don't wanna be wearing them. They are fake. If your Clarks spell C-L-O-R-K-S, sound like your twang Clarks. If your Clarks spell C-L-A-A-W-K-X, if your Clarks spell with a K, your Clarks fake. If the word Clarks no pluralize and it only say Clark, your Clarks fake. And when you get a no Clark, the daddy. If the word Clarks is showing ownership, as in it has an apostrophe S, anywhere upon your shoes, you don't want to own a pair of them Clarks. They fakes. Clarks not come with apostrophe S, bossy. If your Clarks are made in England, downtown Kingston, fake, yeah? Tell me some fake Clarks, man. If your Clarks have a Timberland logo, Clarks fake. And a Clarks and a Tim's are wearing a Clarks. If when you buy a Desert Clarks zine and it's spelled D-E-S-S-E-R-T, the Clarks they belong in a cake box. That a Desert Clarks. Desert. A pastry shop make that the Clarks. If your Clarks say Clarks Originals, I want Yardy make it and Clarks not real. They do about real. Yeah, that's how you know your Clarks real. As Vibes Cartel say, you know, the bow down for the vanity wear where you have. So if a fake Clarks you have beat, if fake Clarks is, you know what I say. One more thing. Big up all the fans when me see everywhere me go. Big up on the blurred kid set. But I try to remember on the name, but then like no name now come to me. Big up on yourself still, isn't it? I appreciate this shit so much, you know. Joe me say Clarks. Everybody wow one. If you love the video, you know what you're supposed to do. Hit the share button, hit the like button. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.